Okay, ZX10R versus Tiger. Which will win? Tell me. Today.
What else? Oh, let me first tell you. Time is around 10:45 a.m. in the morning. Usually at this hour I'll be working out, but today's an off day. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday I work out. The rest of the days I do 1 hour of cardio, which I'll do in the evening today. So right now I'm a bit free. I thought, why not? I thought let's take the Tiger out and go for a nice spin. Nice climate outside. You see that? All nice cloudy. I think highway is gonna rock. It's gonna be just me and Chanti, aka Bahubali. I'm gonna take my Tiger. He's gonna get his beast, the ZX10R. But unfortunately, we cannot rip open that bike today. I'll meet him and tell you why. There's a small story for it. Small, a big story, but I'll meet him and tell you. For now, let me get out and look at all this mess here. Box here, box there, another box here. This you guys know I already unboxed in the last video. This is from Triumph Indian and this is from Wow Skin Science. I'll be unboxing this later. For now I think I'll quickly clean this before my mom shouts at me. I'll see you guys on the bike. And I did not give the intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello, I hope everyone is doing great.
Bye bye.
You're taking Tiger.
फिर राइड को कैसे है ना करिश्मा नहीं है. My wife knows that I'm going to the ride. Now she's asking, how are you going? I don't even have my poor charisma. I'm pretty sure my subscriber is taking great care of it. He just sent me a picture that everything has been transferred and he's very happy with the bike. Gloves. ఎప్పుడు బాగుపడతావు రా నువ్వు, ఎప్పుడు బాగుపడతావు. గ్లవ్స్ గ్లవ్స్ గ్లవ్స్. బాయ్ నచ్చు, బాయ్, టాటా టాటా. Let me call Chanti. He'll be very late. Srujan is the king of late coming. Edwin is the god of late coming. Chanti is like much above all these people. क्या है कि कैसा हो गया ना जिंदगी. Seriously, going for short spins like this. I'm so bored now. Okay, what do you guys think? I have a bike in my mind that's gonna replace this place. Actually, yesterday only we had to go for this ride, but then Chanti got some work in the afternoon, so we couldn't go. But actually yesterday was like one of the hottest days. Today it's nice and cloudy. See all this nice road, they dug it up. I think this work is for that underbridge only, which is okay, but then I'm pretty sure they're not gonna lay this road again. It was a nice 4-lane road. Array, my horn is gone. I forgot to tell you, the stock horn doesn't work on the Tiger right now. I don't know why. I think the placement where I place the horn, all horns are having a problem there and I'll have to change it. Next thing I need to do when I take it to the showroom is get this horn fixed. Uncle, wait, let me go, yaar. Subscriber. Oh, by the way, I have to test ride the new Tiger, right? I'll be doing that maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll see. And the reason I wanted to do it tomorrow is because today I'm going for a ride on this and I can compare it immediately tomorrow. Arey yaar, what the? They close this road. Every once in a while they close this road. I asked Chanti to come to KFC, not to eat. I asked him to come to that point so that from there it's easier to meet and go. And oh yeah, see, this is how it is usually. It's just me who wants to go to the ride. Then I asked Chanti, he said he'll join along. Then Edwin said he wants to come. So we are like 3 of us right now. But the problem is both are really late comers. Actually Chanti is good, yaar. Today he came so early. I mean, he's waiting for me actually at home. That's like amazing. But Edwin is dangerous. KFC also आगे जाना. You see that? Chanti 600i. He used to have a 600i that time. And I'm so sorry, Chanti. He bought the bike after looking at my videos. Yeah, he was my subscriber first. There is. All green pen kya hai? A super sport bike will always have crazy swag. నేను మొత్తం గ్రీన్ మెరుస్తున్నావు. అరే ఫుల్ ఖతర్నాక్ కనిపిస్తున్నావు కానీ స్వాగ్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఫుల్ బండి. అరే రే రే పడుకోకరా ఇట్లా మరి. ఆన్ లేకపోతే నరకం కనిపిస్తుంది. ఎవడు జరుగుతలే, ఎవడు వినట్లేదు. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ బ్యాక్ ఆన్ ది సేమ్ హైవే NH7. It seems Srinagar, 2700 kilometers to Srinagar. I don't know when will that dream come true again. Actually I thought I'll go on some other highway, but because Naresh ka gaadi bhi hai, ZX10R, this road is perfect for that. He can enjoy it more, and this is like the nearest highway to the city, so yeah, this makes more sense. How many of you guys like the rev sound of the Tiger? I know it's not like super amazing, but not here. I'll show you later. Sounds good, yaar. Arey yaar, what a car. What is this? Audi Q8. Looks so amazing, yaar. I think this is the latest version. I mean, I'm not a fan of Audi, but somehow this is really appealing. Audi Q8 2020 version, I guess. Even the color is superb. Chinda? Oh, arey wow. Edwin is on time. Amazing. అరే రే 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 ఎడ్విన్, నువ్వు టైంకా? అది ఎడ్వినేనా? కాదు, అంత టైంకి వచ్చాడంటే. అరే వాళ్ళు ఇద్దరు టైంకి వచ్చారా? మీరు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఇద్దరు గురించి చెప్పుకుంటూ వచ్చా. ఇద్దరు లేట్ కమర్సే, పిచ్చర్ లేట్ వస్తారని. ఇద్దరు నాకన్నా ముందు వచ్చారు ఈసారి. ఏమైంది? అప్పుడే కలిసిపోయావా?
నా దగ్గర ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, నేను కాల్ చేస్తా.
ఓకే, కనెక్ట్ చేద్దాం.
పెడతా.
సెనా లేని కష్టాలు పాపం. నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్, ఎడ్విన్ గెట్ అ సెనా. I don't think it's gonna rain today. It's really humid, 32 degrees. Only thing is I didn't wear my Gore-Tex climb gear, so in case it's gonna rain, I'm gonna be wet. Arey gloves వేసుకోవాలరా. No problem if I get wet, but there is a huge camera inside. I don't want that to get wet. I got a waterproof cover for it. Should I? పడుతుందంటావా వాన? Okay, now the big question. Where are we going? No idea, absolutely. We're just riding. I think we'll go for 100 kilometers or maybe 150 kilometers, depends on our mood. Take a U-turn and come back. Basically, Chanti wants to finish his 1000 kilometers because it's a new engine now. I have to tell you the story, right? Once we'll stop, I'll talk to Chanti and tell you the story, because even I don't know exactly what happened. But it's okay, no hurry. Just wanted to get onto the highway like this. Feels so good, nice and positive. Very nice, because the climate is nice right now. Temperature has gone down to 30 degrees, and oh yes, I know you guys are expecting this. I definitely know that you want me to ride the ZX10R. I'll be doing that while coming back. I can't rip open the bike. I have to maintain that 4000 RPM ka limit, but at least I want to show you a different dash. Okay, ZX10R versus Tiger, which will win? Tell me. Today it's Tiger's day. Tiger is gonna win because Chanti can't go beyond 100 kilometers an hour, and we are already at 99. Okay, I'm on the 390 Adventure, and immediately after shifting from the Tiger, I'm not comparing, now don't give me a bad time. Not at all comparing, but you know, human tendency, once you shift from a powerful bike, you lack that torque. Obviously it's a 390cc or 400cc, and that's a crazy 800cc bike. So just to tell you that immediate difference, I'm just talking some shit here, leave it. Iska ride review I'll be doing later. For now, let's just enjoy the ride, because this needs a separate vlog for that, a proper review completely in the city and on the highway. Immediately if you ask me how do I feel this on the highway, nice and relaxed, superb, amazing position, straight. You're sitting like proper 90 degrees, and only thing I don't like right now, immediately I can say, is the windshield. It's not too tall, it's not too short. I don't understand what is the design of this. You need to really duck like that, this much. Yeah, now you can see that there's no wind noise. But when you do this, I mean obviously you sit like this, right? When you sit like this, a lot of wind blast. So this doesn't make sense, and this is a big issue on any bike, yeah. Even on the Tiger, I don't know how it's the new one, but this Tiger and its later generation B, that windshield is pretty useless. Little bit it helps if you duck, but then if you're sitting straight, your helmet has a lot of buffeting. Any windshield, it should be at least this tall so that it goes away from Upper. Chante! 90 kilometers ఏంట్రా నువ్వు 100 పోవచ్చురా. నాకేందో ఈ మధ్య ఏ రైడ్కి పోయినా ఎవడొక్కడు ఉంటున్నాడు, వాడితో పాటు 100లో రావాల్సి వస్తుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం ఎడ్విన్ బైక్, ఈసారి నీ బైక్. లాస్ట్ వీ కేమ్ హియర్ వెన్ వీ వెంట్ టు గుజరాత్. ఎలా ఉందమ్మా టైగర్? సాఫ్ట్ కదా సోఫానే అదైతే. నాకు ఇది కొంచెం
నా దాని మీద కూర్చుంటే ఏంది ఇట్లా మెత్తగా ఉంది.
Edwin, how was my gear lever? Was it too low? Someone remind me to do this, yaar. My gear lever is too high. I'm not able to reach it easily.
Yeah, actually it is.
No, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Every time in a
Coming
ride,
from my new bike,
it feels high.
yeah, and it feels hard also.
Feels hard. ఇదేదో కొత్త చెప్తున్నాడు.
How did you feel about my gear?
Your gear is fine. Your gear is only thing is not going easily into neutral. So anyone please remind me in the comments. These people are not reminding me. Whenever I take my bike out, only that day I'll remember that the gear lever is too high. One more thing I have to do on the bike, change the horn. Our horn is not working. How did you manage? Beep 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 అనుకుంటున్నాం.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి
beep beep ఏనా?
హారన్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం?
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి హార్న్ లేకుండా నడిపాడు అనమాట. I need to change the stock horn. There was a stupid Denali horn but it didn't work. That is the second Denali horn I got. Bahubali, చేయి చూపించుకో. ఇది ఒకటే సింబల్.
ఫైనల్గా వచ్చింది కదా.
Very big story about the ZX-10R. Big story short. Basically his engine was changed completely. Warranty pay, luckily. Otherwise the engine would cost 7-8 lakhs. 9 lakhs it seems. కొత్త స్ట్రీట్ పెన్ వస్తుంది రోడ్ ఆన్ రోడ్. ఇవైతే 2 వస్తాయి. 2 3 2 వస్తాయి. 2 వస్తే ఇంకా యాక్సెసరీస్ వేయించుకోవచ్చు. బేసికలీ దేర్ వాస్ సమ్ సౌండ్, some vibration sound, some noise, different noise. So he took it to the showroom. First they checked it and they said it's all fine, that's how it is. And he raised a complaint and all that. Then they gave him a new engine after almost 8 months. 8 months, 8 EMIs he just paid like that, unfortunately. But now it's fine, right? All good. I have sanitizer, you want? One small issue with the KTM 390 Adventure. So basically what the problem is, Edwin, you only tell. I mean this is there with all the KTM 390 Adventures.
All the 390
Not the Dukes, only the Adventures.
It's with the fuel pipe thing where it feels like even if you're going in a speed of 120, all of a sudden the bike stops and again it
Ignites
cranks.
again.
Yeah.
So that happened to me now. I didn't go 120, 100, 110 kilometers per hour.
Even that as well.
Yeah, so when you're revving it around 100, 110 kilometers per hour,
Even at the speed of 40 as well.
there's no specific speed. It suddenly happens. It's like you switched off the engine and it switches on again on its own.
It's problem with the fuel pipe.
Problem with the fuel pipe, it seems. KTM already spoke about that.
Yeah.
Officially, that's gonna happen.
Because of the COVID situation, that plant is not.
Otherwise, they have a solution for it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, just stopped here at Adigas to have some chai. డౌట్ఫుల్ చాయ్ తాగొచ్చు అంటావా? బై ది సబ్స్క్రైబర్. చాయ్ బాగుంటుంది. ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఇస్ ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. డిస్పోజబుల్ కప్ అయితే విల్ సీ, నాట్ షూర్. వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్? Vijay. He was going to Basra it seems. But only thing he didn't wear gear. And he's going to Basra, which is how much? 200 kilometers?
Yeah.
Be careful, ride slowly. We have one more subscriber here. It seems he met me in Triumph showroom once and he came to my meetup also. I don't remember. Sorry, Gajini. What's your name?
Rajshekar.
He rides the Interceptor.
Yeah.
How do you like it on the highway? No?
It's awesome. Yeah,
390 Adventure versus that one?
obviously 390.
390?
Yes.
Why? One reason?
Because of the comfort.
వాడు ఖుషి అవుతున్నాడు చూడు అక్కడ.
Because of the comfort
Okay.
and the power is too good, but there's a lot of suspension and the wind blast which comes in.
On the Interceptor.
Yes. So I fitted
There's
with
a lot of wind noise on the Adventure.
Yeah, we should go with a custom windshield.
You should put a bigger windshield,
Yeah,
right?
I kept a carbon racing windshield. So after
Okay.
that, a lot of wind reduction.
It's better?
Yeah, it's
okay.
better now.
Okay.
But compared to that both, it's lesser weight, right?
Yes.
So power
Yes.
to weight ratio always prefer Duke.
That's true, yeah.
So at one
I
point,
mean, I'm a fan of KTM, no doubt. But someone told me the Interceptor is much better in this segment.
But like I'm kind of a guy who want to just glide like a tiger kind of.
Right.
So I prefer my budget.
Upright seating and all that.
Yeah.
Right?
So in my budget, I feel that one is better.
Anyone interested to get an Interceptor, don't get it. That's what he's saying.
No, it's not like that.
Just kidding. You test ride both of the bikes and then decide. Always
It
I say
according to
that.
basic on the person. What they want.
Yeah. You should test ride it definitely. My personal preference, I think I'll go with the Interceptor. Though I like to have a adventure, 390 adventure, but still, for the looks and all that, I feel that is good. In case of a KTM, I would go with the KTM 390 Duke. Chalo, nice meeting you guys.
Thank you.
Funny incident just now. You see that guy running there? There was a bus here, right? They didn't stop for him. They didn't wait for him. Okay, now Naresh, Shanti aka Bahubali is gonna ride the tiger. I'm gonna ride the green beast. ZX 10R. This is the second time I'm gonna ride it. Second or third time. కూర్చోవడమే ఇట్లా స్వాగ్ వస్తుంది అది ఇంట్లో 4000 RPM I have to maintain. ఫస్ట్ గేర్లో వెళ్ళిపోతుందేమో కదా 120. ట్రై చేసి చూద్దాం రా, వెళ్తుందా? ఫస్ట్ గేర్లో వెళ్తే చూద్దాం. ది ZX 10R can reach 140 kilometers an hour in the first gear. I'm saying let's try and see. Naresh is getting scared. బండి హాయిగా పొట్టిగా ఉంది, కాకపోతే పడుకున్నాడు వాళ్ళు లిటరల్లీ. యూ నీడ్ టు స్లీప్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ రైడ్. Swag is oozing out, you know, when you sit on it like that. Okay, we decided not to have chai here because it doesn't seem safe. We're not very comfortable, so we ditched that idea. Stock exhaust. Even if you rev it, you can't rev it beyond 4000 RPM. Green, itla glow అవుతుంది green. అంటుకుంటుందా? अरे क्या साउंड, क्या फीलिंग है सीरियसली. अरे यार, हाउ डू आई टर्न दिस? Edwin is doing some adventures. अरे यार, this doesn't feel like I'm riding a bike. This feels like I'm riding a spaceship. अभी यू टर्न मज़ा आएगा. अरे 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 that's like a super long U-turn. Okay, this is how we ride the ZX 10R. I wanted to pull it so much but it's freaking already at 3000 RPM. Sorry guys, some other time I'll be ripping it. For now, let's maintain the speed. 5th gear, 6th gear, khatam. 6 gears, 3500 RPM right now. I have to ride it like this. There is like crazy, listen to me, a crazy 200 horses hidden inside the engine. They're waiting to get out. Unfortunately, I have to pacify the throttle slowly and not cross 4000 RPM. I have to keep all the horses chained inside. The 200 horses. What is that yaar? 200 cc suna hoga, but 200 horsepower. Madness. You know, this machine is capable of doing 300 plus kilometers an hour. You heard me right, 300. That's almost close to the speed of a chopper. I can feel the power already. Thoda aisa kiya to trying to hit 80, 90, 100. I can see my baby dark horse piche. It's not a baby, it's a beast. But for me it's a baby only. Oh, my sweetheart, my darling. Not that dude, I'm talking about the bike. Very rarely I get to see my bike like this from the outside because I'm always on it. అంటే చాలా దురద పెడుతుందిరా, బాగా ఇట్లా కుదబుద్ధి అవుతుంది బండిని. ఎందుకంటే 6th గేర్లో కూడా తెలిసిపోతుంది బండి నన్ను వదులు, నన్ను విడిచిపెట్టు ఉంటుంది. వాడేటి పోతుంది ఏంట్రా, బెంగళూరు యూటర్న్ కొట్టినావు? అమ్మా ఒళ్ళు నొప్పులు వస్తున్నారా దీంట్లో. ఇవాళ ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు డూ ఎనీ కార్డియో. చాయ్ కాయలో చాయ్ దొరుకుతుంది, కాఫీ డేలో కాఫీ దొరుకుతుంది. నీకు ఏది కావాలి? ఇట్లా పక్కన పెట్టి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు పిల్లలు.
33.
What? 33 mileage? Ba. Hats off KTM for this. ఇక్కడ 6 వస్తుందా మైలేజ్?
What do I say about this bike, yaar? You really need to be super fit to ride this bike. Any super sport. I mean, literally sleep on the road and ride. Especially me or someone who is used to an adventure tourer sitting straight. This is like a torture. I mean, it's got its own purpose, a racetrack and all that. But still, if you want to have fun in the city, and it amplifies your swag and all that, that is there. But then, if you're not fit, if you have a paunch, and very difficult to ride this bike. I think today's back workout is done. ఈ మహానుభావుడు మా నరేష్ అన్న దాన్ని వేసుకొని గోవాకు పోయిండ్రా దేవుడు వాడు. అరే దీన్ని వేసుకొని ఎట్లా వచ్చేవరా నువ్వు? గోవాకి ఎట్లా వెళ్ళేవరా? అది చేసే ఇట్లా అయినావా?
ఓకే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చెప్పు వినిపిస్తుంది. ఈజ్ గోనా రైడ్ ది ఫస్ట్ టైం బాహుబలి is riding a Chitku bike. This is not Chitku yaar, this is as tall as this bike almost. But he's gonna ride this for the first time and Edwin is gonna ride the ZX10R. నీ బ్యాక్ బ్రతుకుంటే కలుద్దాం. ఎడ్విన్ స్వాగ్ లేదే లేదు, అస్సలు లేదు. దాంట్లో కూడా కాలంత లేవు. కమాన్ ఎడ్విన్. He'll take time to take a U-turn. But can't go much. I have to slow down for my friends. Action.
That is my action.
బాగుందా?
అవి గోవా పోయిండు దాని మీద ఇట్లా కూర్చుండు.
No, you don't say కూర్చోవడం, you say sleeping. You need to sleep.
ఈ పోసుకోవడం ఏంటో చూసుకోవడం ఏంటో
బతుకులు ఎట్లా అయిపోయినాయి కదా. Edwin is immediately switching back to his bike. Take it onto a racetrack, you will have like mad fun. Not even an adventure tour can give you such fun. That's for a proper track. It's a crazy track machine. Sunday morning rides like these roads, you'll have fun. And you should have a nice fitness level. If you have a stomach and all, then it will touch your tank.
I love my bike too.
एडविन वन शॉट में खत्म हो गया. एडविन का इंटी वो है जरम वस्तु पक्का. You guys remember this guy? Mile Tripper. Simon Kotar official page. వర్షం పడేటట్టుంది పోదాం. చల్.
Okay, weather report. This side it's okay, but that side it is pretty dark. Luckily I reached home. It started raining heavily that side. I could see on the highway, right side of me, it was like there was a proper border, a black border I could see. It was smashing rain out there. Ride was really amazing. This is how it is usually when we don't plan anything and go. If you plan everything properly and go, you have expectations and all that, and usually you don't enjoy that. But when you go like this, all of a sudden you not have any expectations. Somehow everything works out well and you're really happy. Not just for a ride, anything in life. Anyways, don't forget to hit the like button. Are idokati pratisari like kottandi అని చెప్తేనే ఎక్కువ లైక్స్ వస్తాయి. Usually there are a lot of people who hit the like button even before watching it. That's like amazing, yeah. And definitely comment. I read at least the first 150 comments. So make sure you comment and increase my engagement. Alright. Chalo, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.